Luno is often touted as a go-to crypto exchange for beginners, but is it really the best option out there? Let's dive into what Luno offers, along with some potential pitfalls you might want to consider before signing up. Luno focuses on making cryptocurrency accessible, especially for newcomers. The platform allows users to buy, sell, and store a variety of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, all within a user-friendly interface that feels pretty intuitive at first glance. You can easily navigate through the app or website, which is a big plus for those who may not be tech-savvy. One standout feature is the educational content provided. Luno offers a series of guides and articles aimed at helping users understand the crypto space better. However, while the app is designed to be user-friendly, some features like advanced trading options might feel a bit lacking for more experienced traders. Overall, Luno seems to cater well to beginners, but there are areas where it feels like they could provide more information or tools for those looking to dive deeper into crypto trading. On the plus side, Luno's simplicity and educational resources make it a great starting point for beginners. The app is straightforward, and setting up an account doesn't take much time. However, some users have pointed out that the range of cryptocurrencies available is somewhat limited compared to other exchanges. Another concern is the fees. While they're not outrageous, they can add up, especially for small transactions. Additionally, the lack of advanced trading features might disappoint users who want to explore more complex strategies. In terms of trust, Luno has a decent reputation, but it's worth noting that they're not available in every country, which could be a barrier for some potential users. In conclusion, Luno is a solid choice for beginners looking to dip their toes into cryptocurrency. However, if you're someone who's serious about trading or wants a wider selection of coins, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying out if you're just starting your crypto journey, but keep your expectations in check.